Hi everybody, welcome to yet another exciting day here at Adishakti Cars. Now tell me, when was the last time you were really thrilled about something, totally excited, something that left you breathless? Well, get ready for that feeling again, because we have here the all-new diesel lineup of Tata Motors right here at Adishakti Cars. First up, we have the most preferred, most bang for the buck compact SUV in India, the Tata Nexon Diesel, which was also the first made in India car to get a 5-star global NCAP safety rating. Next up, we have the most popular and most loved SUV in India, the Tata Harrier, which has always been available in diesel. And now, the most awaited and the most gorgeous, the gold standard hatchback, the Tata Altroz, which is now available in diesel. Wow, right? Just look at this lineup of the most beautiful cars available for sale in India, right here at Adishakti Cars. And all of these beauties are now available with the rushing, thrilling, pushing you against the seat kind of power of Tata's diesel engines, but with the refined sense of luxury and comfort of Tata's forever new range of models. Now let me explain the engines to you. The Tata Harrier comes with a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged Cryotech diesel engine, which churns out 170 PS of power at 3000 RPM and 350 Newton meters of torque from as low as 1750 RPM. The Harrier comes mated with a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission across different variants. The Tata Nexon Diesel comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder Revotorque engine, which churns out 110 PS of power at 4000 RPM and 260 Newton meters of torque from as low as 1500 RPM. The Tata Nexon comes mated with a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed AMT, which is an automated manual transmission across different variants. The Tata Altroz comes with the same 1.5-liter turbocharged Revotorque engine as the Tata Nexon. This churns out a 90 PS of power at 4000 RPM and 200 Newton meters of torque from as low as 1200 RPM. Altroz comes mated with a 5-speed manual transmission only for the ultimate driving pleasure. Now, to explain about some of the technical benefits and advantages of a diesel engine, we have here our service manager, Mr. Naveen Raj.
Hi everybody. Today I'm here to speak something about the diesel engines. Diesel engines are the most popular and preferred engines in India. Diesel engines are more fuel efficient and produce more power, thus increasing your mileage. Second of all, diesel engines are engineered to withstand high temperatures so that the durability of the engines are high and last longer. And their resale value is very good. Diesel engines produce less CO2. Why? Because they have a diesel particulate filter which helps us in reducing the NOx gases, which is harmful to our environment. Diesels are less prone to price fluctuations compared to the other fuel which is available in the market. So it's always better to go for the diesel engines.
Thank you, Mr. Naveen. That was fantastic. So friends, with that, we invite you to please come drop by here at Adishakti Cars to experience these wonderful and thrilling machines for yourself. We have our branches at Bangalore, Shimoga, Sagar and Davangere. We can even arrange a test drive right to your doorstep. Just visit our website at www.adishakticars.com to book your test drive or call us at 737-590-3678 to enquire now. Thank you for watching this video. Do tell us what you think about our cars in the comment section below. Also like, share and subscribe to our channel Adishakti Cars. Press the bell icon to stay updated on all our exciting and original new content. Thank you for watching.